We'll come back out in the winter and then run it
Where
back.
did this part specifically
Up my
go?
ass.
What do you say you cool this thing down in the pond?
Cool this thing down the pond. I might need to cool down the pond too. Lift that up a little bigger.
We can. Shall we?
Listen,
Yeah.
man, you're the rider. We're just here to operate the skid steer.
All right, Adam's in the skid. He's gonna lip up this jump a little more so he can get some more air before he lands in the pond.
This is the most jump guy thing ever. Hops in it to make his own booter.